Assembly Bill 311 would make it illegal to sell ghost gun kits and parts at the Mar Fairgrounds.
We've heard from law enforcement that, just in a couple of years, as much as 1/3 of those guns illegally held and recovered by law enforcement locally are ghost guns.
Assemblymember Chris Ward wrote the bill that's already been approved by the state assembly. Ghost gun parts don't have serial numbers, are untraceable, and are used to make or assemble guns. They are not registered, and buying them does not require a background check.
The potential that they would be afforded to be sold at the Mar Fairgrounds or state lands like the Mar Fairgrounds, that's unacceptable.
Ward says initially the bill banned the sale of these parts on all state lands, but it became clear it would be too costly and tough to enforce. Instead of scrapping it altogether, he amended it. Ward notes the city and county of San Diego have passed their own ghost gun laws.
But that would leave a donut hole with the state, with the Mar Fairgrounds, because those are state lands.
This all feels very much like political theater by people that have already been kind of proven to be anti-gun zealots.
Michael Schwartz is the executive director of the San Diego Gun Owners PAC.
We wish that he would go after criminals rather than those that are trying to abide by and follow the law.
Schwartz says his group is against anyone using guns in any illegal way, especially in violent crimes. He says ghost gun sales are already illegal, and this law targets a minority of gun enthusiasts.
Folks that are home manufacturing firearms shouldn't be targeted by the government, for doing something that is not hurting anybody, is not intended to break a law or anything like that. The rights of the minority are still rights.
We need to make sure that the community, the law-abiding community, is directed towards legal points of sale and the processes of registration and the ability to track these so that they are not continuing to proliferate and cause harm into our communities.
Schwartz says if the bill passes, it will be tied up in litigation, just like a similar law passed in San Diego.
I can guarantee there will be lawsuits.
The bill still has to be approved by the state Senate and signed by the governor to become law. Kitty Alvarado, KPBS News.